Let's boost up your immune system without pills of any kind. We can do it. Check this out. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor, going on 36 years now. 1,300 videos here for you to peruse and get healthy with. Let's get the world healthy. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Well, today I want to teach you a technique that can help you in a great way to boost up your immune system so you don't get sick, you don't come down with the colds, the flus, all that kind of thing. Also, if you have some kind of disease going on, maybe you have cancer, maybe you have something else, it would be really good to boost up your immune system to help, conquer that problem, that's for sure. So let's get into this right now. Everybody has stress these days. I mean, in the last 3 or 4 years, I've seen more people with stress than I did see in the last, 30 some years before that. So stress is ubiquitous everywhere. And my father died of a stress-induced heart attack at 57. And stress will kill you. They're absolutely positively. And it lowers your immune system, puts out all these, adrenaline and cortisols and all these different things. And they are actually lowering your immune system in a huge way, and we really need to get rid of that. Hypnosis is an amazing thing, and you can do it to yourself, and it really gets to the core of actually getting rid of stress and letting the immune system go up. And I've used it for years and years and years. I went to hypnotherapy school a long time ago, and it really does work, absolutely, positively. All hypnosis is self-hypnosis. It's something you allow to do yourself. And you can make a recording of your own voice and listen to it, and it will help you to relax so your immune system goes up. And it's a very simple process. Stress has been implicated in all diseases, and hypnosis is well known for helping with stress. And hypnosis goes back way, way back. And Milton Erickson did a lot of studies with this, and he was able to help a lot and lots of people. But you can do it to yourself and help yourself in a huge way just by making a simple recording. And keep it all positive, and don't and put in negative things like don't and do, that type of thing. Keep it all positive and just record on your phone, your voice recorder on your phone that you can listen to over and over and over again, and eventually it will seep into your unconscious and allow yourself to relax. So tell yourself to relax. I feel calm, I feel super peaceful, on and on and on. And you can listen to this all day long. Eventually it will sink into the unconscious mind and take over, and your immune system will go up because you start to relax. Absolutely, positively. The studies show this. If you look up stress and immune system, lots of studies show that stress lowers our immune system and makes us open to disease. So this is not rocket science. On your phone, on your voice recorder, make a positive affirmation that will seep into your mind and start to help you to relax deeply. And it will work. I guarantee it. I've seen this over and over again with people, and all of a sudden your cortisols and adrenalines and everything start to come down. It will take time. It doesn't happen, the first time you listen to it and all of a sudden it's gone. All that stress is gone. No. It will take, a few months for this to seep in. But it does work. Studies show that. And I know that you can do this. Very simple. No pills involved. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. A lot of people are taking these weight loss shots, but I know somebody personally taking it, but they don't teach you to keep your blood sugar low with what you're eating. And I teach that absolutely positively. And we can keep your blood sugar in, the 80s all the time and not have to worry about taking, any kind of a drug of any kind, whether it be metformin or insulin we can get you healthy. 831-869-9119. Remember God and remember I love you. A great sage said, great joy is dispel and get rid of 100 cares or 100 worries. Have joy. And I have to say, people don't have joy. All they do is walk around and worry all the time. This is really not good and not normal. We need to go back to filling our lives with joy. I remember going to, walking here when I first got here, and people would sing walking down the street. That disappeared. I remember going to Costa Rica, and, there was a guy, chopping down a tree, and he's singing. Doesn't happen anymore. We need to go back to being joyful. I love you.